So welcome to unboxing of our Spigen screen guard for our MacBook Pro and M1 Max. And as you can see, the packing uh, quite big. And this was a 16-inch one, and this is 9H surface hardness, touch, perfect precision, and all of that. It has been given, and it's May 2024 manufactured. MRP is 2899, but I got it for cheaper at Amazon. So rates keep on changing on Amazon, so you can check that. Okay, let's open what is in the box. Okay, so we have what we call dust removal stickers and wet wipes and all. Then we have an option like installation instructions, if you can see on the screen. And then thank you for choosing Spigen, and installation video is also given. So if you want, you can watch that. But it's quite clear, cleaning wipe, just clean it with wipes, microfiber. Well, let's open this box. There is the screw. Good quality box, I would say. And this is our screen guard. So let's keep things on aside and we will do the cleaning. So this is our MacBook Pro 16-inch. So so we are done with dust removal. Let's see the screen. Okay, so we have two things. Okay, so this is to hold. So if I see the instruction manual, okay, so should be very careful about it. I will just try to align it with the bottom screen of it. Sorry. It's quite difficult to align, but let's see. Okay, I think it's aligned now, which I'm totally not sure. Yes, it's aligned now. I think so. Quite good, I would say. And then we should remove this. Great. As you can see, no bubbles at all. This is great. Yes, I cannot even see a difference. Dust particle, but let's start. That is great. And it started. As you can see, we'll throw these things away, and perfect. So now we have it. You can close it also. Won't make any difference. It's perfect. That's good. Thank you everyone for watching the video for installation and unboxing. Do follow us for more such content.